Okay, so I've got black canvas and black gessoed, and then obviously some liquid clear on top that I've just put on there, so that's all wet and nice. We've got some phthalo green, some phthalo blue, some white and some black. So let's see what we're doing. I'm thinking Northern Lights tonight, so I might do some. We're going to have a lot of green. A very green one tonight. So yeah, we're going to do some Northern Lights. So yeah, a nice lot of green on here, as you can see. Let's go into some white here, just with a little fan brush. I'm just going to make some little patterns. I'm going to have these quite visible tonight, so maybe we'll just make a little starting point around here, and I'll just make some different patterns, sort of, I don't know, have them come in this way, and then round up here, put some little patterns tonight, something like this. Just flick up there, and maybe I'm trying to make them sort of come a little bit towards us, so go a little bit there. There we go, just some little different lines. Maybe there's a little separate one there. Okay, then we'll just pull up here and we'll just make some little Northern Lights. Nice little lights here. Just pull them through. Beautiful. And maybe one over there too. Maybe put a load of green on there. I'll just lift that up now. A bit of light down the bottom. I'm just going to throw in a little bit of light down here. And we'll just flick up around there. Blend that out a little bit. Keep some of that dark there. Right, let's go. I've got a little bit of black here. I'm going to take some blue, mix it into that green colour over there. A little bit of black, a little bit of just a greyish sort of colour at the moment. I'm going to do a nice big mountain here. So let's just create some shapes. Different sort of shape there. Yeah, they look nice, don't they? I wanted them to sort of come sort of that way tonight. Just a nice little flick out here. We'll have him going off over there. Somewhere, I'm just going to make a couple of colours here. Somewhere between the white and then work into some green. Okay. Yeah, I'm just touching a little bit of green on here. Ooh, very gentle touch here. I'm going to have this one coming around a little bit. I've got green and whites going on, so a little bit here and there of a little bit of different colour. A little bit of green down here. There. That's quite nice. I like that. How's that sweeping round? So I might keep that. Yeah. I'm just gonna go over to. I'll do Instagram and YouTube. I think probably the best thing to do. Have a nice bit of mist here. How about if we had a nice bit of mist all the way up here, like this? Just a little. I'm going to blend that out though. I'm going to blend that out and make it sort of. I don't know, I just felt like doing one there. Like that. Just blend in front of here. That'd be nice. We'll do another little layer. Look, just in front of this thing here. A lot of paint on there. the 1-inch brush. Just going to keep down the bottom of this here for the moment. Got to really try and keep some of that if I can. I'm going to let that disappear behind there. Ooh, little flicks. Little flicks. Okay. Let's make some more. And we're just going to come across here. Make some water. I'm just going to put it on like this tonight. Yeah, that's lovely. Let's go. Let's just blend this out. I like sometimes just to do the water like that instead of the other way. It gets all these little lines. Just blend that off over there. Wow, whoosh. And we just put a little, something there very faint. Okay, we'll just do some little lift up trees there. I don't know, maybe we'll have it come around the bend, so we have some water come around the bend there. Need to think of a name, yeah. Okay, let's just fill this in, and I can come back and make some little, I don't know, just make that a little bit, there, that's nice, I like that. Let's just pull down a little bit there, we can make some reflections. Let's do the reflections while I'm there, because sometimes I get ahead of myself. But it'd make it easier if I could just get just a little bit of that there. We can come in here and do another little one there. Yeah. Again, we'll just pull some of this down there. Just pull straight down there, go across. It gives us a nice little bit of reflection there. Look at that. Let's try that. Let's try there. Have him sat over there. There we go. It's amazing so far, Cole. Thanks, Simon. Much appreciated. We'll just have a few here. Yeah, I really like the Northern Lights actually. I think they've really turned out really nice tonight. Different patterns, and it feels like it's coming towards you. And the same with this bit down here. So it really does feel both. You've got the bottom end coming towards you and the top end. So it really gives a nice bit of distance. So I think that's really nice, and it's worked out lovely. Let's do a couple of twin ones. We'll have one here, and just a couple of twin ones together, slightly leaning, growing out together. There. And over here, we'll just give them a few little limbs. And that is they're joined together. They didn't grow up alone. I think I might keep these sort of silhouette, but we'll see how I go along. Right over the mountain there, throwing that back a little bit. Down here. Just trying to get a bit on the back end of the knife here. That into the canvas there. Liquid clear is quite, liquid white is really good for this as well. There you go, a bit more green there. Thank you, a little bit more liquid white. Things in here. I just want to see what that looks like, because I was thinking about adding a little bit of colour and stuff. I'm going to have a little look at this. Have a little look at this colour. See down here, if you do that, leave a bit of dark there, and then you can just create little different sort of hills and stuff there. Yeah. So you can have a little high bit there. That's nice, that little bushy thing there. I'm quite happy with that down the front. I think that's turned out quite nice. Let's just have a little look. Yeah, this is perfect. It's like a grey sort of green. And that will just put a few little highlights on this side of the trees. We can bring that all the way down, just on this side of the trees. Gonna go like that. There we go. There is that. Lisa, thank you so much for grabbing this one. It's nice that they get named and they've got meaning and they're going to go up on the wall. Yeah, lovely, isn't it? Good night all, take care, bye bye.